Glass rain on Exoplanet HD 189,733b. Astronomers spotted HD 189,733b in 2005. Silica particles condense into molten glass, raining sideways. Winds rage at 7,000 mph. Temperatures hit 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Glass rain could tell us about exoplanet atmospheres. Imagine standing under that storm, glass shards everywhere. 7,000 mph winds tear through molten rain sideways across sky. This planet redefines what's possible in the cosmos. Could there be similar worlds out there? Comment what you think.